5 seconds. Start. Award of the Claims Tribunal. On receipt of an application for compensation made under section 110A, the claims tribunal shall, after giving the parties an opportunity of being heard, bracket open, hold an inquiry into the claim or, as the case may be, each of the claims and, subject to the provisions of section 109-b, may make an award, bracket close, determining the amount of compensation which appears to it to be just and specifying the person or persons to whom compensation shall be paid, and in making the award the claims tribunal shall specify the amount which shall be paid by the insurer, bracket open, or owner or driver of the vehicle involved in the accident, or by all or any of them, as the case may be, bracket close, stop, double inverted comma. Next, in 1988, Motor Vehicle Act, 1939 was repealed and Motor Vehicle Act, 1988 came into force. Stop. By bringing section 168 of the Motor Vehicle Act, 1988, it was reiterated that the amount of compensation payable would be which appeared to be just, section 168 of the amended Motor Vehicle Act reads as under, award of the claims tribunal. On receipt of an application for compensation made under section 166, the claims tribunal shall, after giving notice of the application to the insurer and after giving the parties, bracket open, including the insurer, bracket close, an opportunity of being heard, hold an inquiry into the claims or, as the case may be, each of the claims and, subject to the provisions of section 162, may make an award determining the amount of compensation which appears to it to be just and specifying the person or persons to whom compensation shall be paid, and in making the award the claims tribunal shall specify the amount which shall be paid by the insurer or owner or driver of the vehicle involved in the accident, or by all or any of them, as the case may be, next para, provided that where such application makes a claim for compensation under section 140 in respect of the death or permanent disablement of any person, such claim and any other claim, bracket open, whether made in such application or otherwise, bracket close, for compensation in respect of such death or permanent disablement shall be disposed of in accordance with the provisions of chapter 10, double inverted comma, next para. Thus, according to the English law, compensation oblique damages were payable according to the proportionate laws, whereas in India, compensation is payable which appears to the tribunal to be just is payable. Stop. The approach of the courts according to the English law and according to the Indian law have to be distinct and separate. Stop. Indian law recognizes just compensation, whereas English law required compensation proportionate to the loss suffered. Stop. English courts have been calculating loss of money as a bargain as to how such monetary loss has been caused to the claimant, as a result the death of bread earner oblique deceased. Stop. The English law being different, English judges were having different approach towards the grant of compensation to the deceased family. Stop. Next para. Here in India, we have a different culture. Stop. Here, every parent thinks that it is his moral and legal duty to give fullest education to his children. Stop. Parents think that marriage of their children is their responsibility, and even providing a house to their children and grandchildren is their responsibility. Stop. Here in India, the concept of culture and family life is totally distinct from the culture and family life in England and in other foreign countries. Stop. Here, parents not only educate the children but spend huge amounts or at least sufficient amounts on the marriages of their children, on their education, for their housing needs, and in majority of cases in return they are looked after in old ages. Stop.